The rest of your page is a place for posts. When our staff completes your dashboard, we will post a welcome post that you can see an example of here. Attached to it is a user manual, which is helpful to refer back to if you have any questions about navigating your dashboard. When a post is made on your dashboard, you will receive an email with a link to your dashboard. You will also receive a notification email if someone tags you in a post or comments on a post thread that you are a part of. There is also the ability to upvote or downvote a post by clicking the small arrows in the upper left-hand corner. You can post questions, comments, or start a discussion here by hitting the blue button that says Add New Post. If you wish to tag another user on the platform, you can use the @ symbol and type in their number. You are also able to tag doctors, clinicians, or researchers by typing @ and then their name. Once the names have turned blue, that means you have successfully tagged someone in your post.